Hey family, this is Darlene. I have been working on these little cuties here, and I'm calling these fruit on the bottom. We have natural stone beads and some glass beads, and these are filled with resin, and they're little small pieces that look like fruit. So in this case, this is a grapefruit, and then we have the orange, and then I have some here, a different earring, where this one is cucumber. It's a really small plastic container that looks like a mason jar without a top. Excuse me, and it's filled with resin and slices of what looks like cucumbers. And then this one is filled with what looks like slices of watermelon. And you can find these on the Etsy shop. I think I'm gonna do a lot more of these. I like the way they look. They're very pretty. They're very summery. And remember, I don't care what's going on in the world right now. It's still summer. And we still want to wear bright clothing and sleeveless dresses and our cute little shorts with our matching accessories, be it bangles on your wrist or, you know, really cute dangle earrings. These I am going to finish up and wear these myself. I like these. I'm going to add more wire to these. Wrap it around the bottom here just to secure it a little bit more. So these look like purple strawberries, and I forget what those that fruit is. It's like a kiwi, but this is pink. So it's like a pink kiwi or something. So when I finish these, they'll have more wiring around here. And I just like wiring. Wiring does a lot for jewelry. It makes it look really rich. It makes it look finished. And it just adds that special kind of touch to it. And I think these are really, really adorable. Just so in love with these. I like these. I haven't put these on the website as of yet to begin selling. I'm going to post these on there today, and you can find the link in the description if you're interested in these. So I'm going to get these up, and then I will work on some more and get those on the Etsy shop as well. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Share the video, like the video, comment if you have a comment. Any questions, go ahead and post those in the comment section, and I'll get back to you with an answer or in response to whatever your comment is. Jewelry by BDK, Darlene Knight. Thanks for stopping by.